that the Honorable Zaake is suspended from the House and all its precincts for the rest of the session of this 11th Parliament. The third is that the Honorable Zaake be ordered to render an equivocal apology to me before the whole House, retracting the defamatory statements as contained in the video clip. And lastly, Honorable Chair and Honorable Members, Parliament must consider putting in place stringent measures and sanctions relating to a conduct of a member in another person's constituency. Thank you so much, Honorable Chair and Honorable Members, for this opportunity.
Well, thank you. Your prayer, our conclusion into the matter. Well, you're free and you have been free to state your prayers, but the prayers shall not twist these committee members to recommend Parliament on what you have laid on before us. In any case, we want to give opportunity to the Honorable Zaake. They have traveled, they have been coming from Rakai for several times, and it has been very expensive for you to foot the bills for their transport fares. And we shall, if possible, we shall allow the witnesses to be cross-examined before, so that they can travel back.
Cross-examination. We don't have an opinion as of now, and then thereafter, we can see how we can proceed. Having had Kinyamatama, the Honorable Zaake, Honorable Kinyamatama is there for cross-examination, in case you have any question.
Ms. Juliet K. Subi Kinyamatama.
For the record purposes, my name is Juliet K. Subi Kinyamatama, Woman Member of Parliament, Rakai District.
Yes. So that's the name you carry even on your national ID?
Yes.
Can you confirm the second time it's the name on your national ID?
Yes.
Can I have a look at it?
I will only give a copy because I don't think I carried my ID, but I will give a copy. I will submit it officially to the clerk, not you.
Do you have the copy right now with you?
I have a copy on my phone.
Please, can you share with the clerk?
Excuse me here.
I can see Kinyamatama Juliet. Are you the one?
Is that the card?
They do not put abbreviations on IDs and passports and what have you.
It's okay. Let's just share the card with the council. That's not a problem.
Juliet. Can you confirm K is not there?
I think for any land person, you should know that abbreviations are not allowed on bank details, not allowed on a bank card, not allowed on a national ID, not allowed on a passport.
Just confirm.
So you are confirming that it is not there?
As it is.
Yeah, I only wanted to give a reason also as to why it's not
is
there.
okay.
We know. This committee knows some of those details.
Can you also confirm that the name Kinyamatama is not on the voters register?
Where is the voters register?
Is it there or not?
Where is the voters register?
Chair, am I under cross-examination?
Examine me out of my case. You write to Electoral Commission to confirm.
Okay, let's do this. First of all, I would like to request, it is not necessary to have exchanges. We are trying to, as a committee, to come to the bottom of this case, okay? Just calm down. If you are confirming, you confirm. If you can't confirm, you say I can't confirm, and then we proceed. Then the rest you leave it to the committee.
I want to confirm that my national register is with the Electoral Commission, and whoever wants to know, maybe this committee should consult. I am not in position. I'm not the one supposed to be confirming that.
Thank you.
So if I may ask, are you a registered voter in Rakai?
I think that question should be good for Electoral Commission that nominated me and Parliament, where I work as a member of Parliament.
So for your case, you know or you don't know whether you're a registered voter in Rakai district?
That is a redundant question for me. I'm a woman member of Parliament for Rakai district.
No. Can I say it again? Please calm down.
Honorable Chair and honorable members, I am a woman member of Parliament for Rakai district, and there is no way I can be a woman member of Rakai when I'm not a registered voter in Rakai. Thank you.
Can you tell this honorable committee the full name, the full particulars of your name on the voters register, if you know?
Honorable Chair, I think we also need to respect each other. He asked me my name, I mentioned it. Asked me for my national ID, mentioned it. It was read. My statement is clear. If you're critiquing what is on my statement, make it clear. I gave you everything. I have said it 100 times. And I am Juliet Suwi Kinyamatama, Juliet K. Juliet K. Suwi Kinyamatama. The order doesn't matter. I know the law.
Can you confirm you did not attend the gathering you are talking about, the impending gathering of 9th at Rwamagwa?
Honorable Chair, like I said, and it is so clear in my statement, that I was told, meaning that I was not there.
Honorable Suli, just confirm that
No, she
you...
has said it. She has said it.
Please, okay.
Let's proceed.
And who in particular told you what happened there?
Thank you for that question. Thank you, honorable members. This takes us to why our witnesses are here. Like I stated in my statement, that I got WhatsApp messages, and the one Kauma, who was before us, who is outside, is the one who called me and also sent me the video clip. And he's here to testify to what I stated in my statement. Thank you.
Wonderful. Made the recording of that video clip. Can you confirm?
I said it is so clear that he sent me.
Is he the one who recorded it?
He will explain where he got it from.
The video was sent to her by a Kauma. Is it Kauma? And Kauma is here to testify. Yes. So that can't be a question to her. It can only be a question to the one who is coming, because the one who sent it.
Can I put it differently?
She can't know whether it is Kauma recorded or not. May we proceed, please?
Dear.
Thank you, Chair and honorable members. Like I stated, how I got to know everything So some of the questions are not meant for me. If you see my statement, if I knew the person who had recorded the video, I should have put it here. I put the person who sent me the video.
About Juliet, to calm down and don't be combatant. Where you need to say yes or no, to simply say yes. Don't say like I said. Just say yes or no. Don't be combatant. The committee will be able to analyze the information and come out with the most fair opinion according to the committee. So I request you humbly to calm down, not to be in a combatant mode, to say yes or no where I need to say yes or no. To say humble appeal to you.
Well, we've been so close to her. Maybe that's the way she speaks and the way she presents her case or herself. Allow her to talk the way she wants. Because she's not attacking anyone. She's not throwing tables. She's not pushing, the flags before us. She's calm. To me, she's calm because she's sitting directly opposite me. Please, proceed. Let's proceed.
Not say yes, no, yes, no. I think I have to say what, to answer you in detail. I'll just not say yes or no.
Let's do this. And just know that this is a formal process. If a question requires yes or no, just say yes, but can I explain? Then we shall give you a chance to what? To explain. We will not allow you to be put in a straitjacket. And if you want to explain, just say, can I explain? And the committee will be very, very happy to allow you to explain your yes or no, okay?
So obliged, Honorable Chair.
Is Kinyamatama your name?
No, Honorable Chair. Can I explain my no?
Wonderful.
Yes, please explain your no.
Thank you so much, Honorable Chair. Questions are made to throw you.
Just
explain
your no. Don't
I am not Kinyamatama. I want to explain that I am the only woman member of parliament in Rakai district. There is no any other woman member of parliament whose name is closed Kinyamatama. So when someone says in a video clip and mispronounces your name but meaning you by saying don't bring back those MPs, I am the only woman member of parliament in Rakai district.
Okay.
Well,
let's see.
I actually thought that I am not
question.
Nalmansi. Can I explain?
No, we'll allow you our time when we are asking
later.
questions. We'll ask the question to explain that. Just answer his question as there.
I am not Nalmansi and I will never be.
Okay.
In your statement here, you were talking of allegations of prostitution. Are you a prostitute?
Honorable Chair, I only talked about the allegations because that was the allegation in the video clip. That's how I talk about it. I am not a prostitute and I will never be.
That video. And probably listen to it. Did the voice in that video said it to be that of the Honorable Zaake in any way talk about prostitution?
Honorable members, for clarification, I pray that you replay, because that question maybe he didn't hear the video. I pray that you replay the video.
We will replay, but
and so that answer will be answered.
Just answer the question, the video will replay. Because we replayed it, we have it, and by the time we reach a conclusion, we'll have it replayed for ourselves. Okay? Just answer the question.
Chair, I request that he repeats his question.
Repeat your question.
Did the voice attributed, said it to be one of Honorable Zaake in your statement, as captured in that video clip, in any way talk about prostitution?
The voice and the image of the person talking, who is Honorable Zaake in that video, talks about prostitution. A Kinyamatama, whatever he called it, an MP from Rakai district, who seems to be selling her body or herself in Parliament. In my interpretation, and maybe the interpreter will help us, selling your body means prostitution.
So did he say you are selling your body? Are you sure?
He said, I look like, I think they should play it back because I didn't cram.
Did he say so that you are selling
You're not
your
going
body?
to force me to say what I don't remember. Let it be played so that I hear what exactly he said.
So. If you don't remember, you say so. You say you don't remember what exactly he said.
I cannot say I don't remember when I have an opportunity to ask this committee to play it so that we know what exactly he said.
It's you who is complaining, and you should be knowing what you are complaining about. And what you are saying is denigrated you.
I will repeat what he said. Alinge yetunda mu parliament.
Oh, wonderful.
So you interpret it in the best language.
Alinge yetunda mu parliament. 2 questions. First, did you understand that to be a statement of fact or a statement of opinion?
I think it is both. It is both.
It's both a statement of fact and opinion.
Yeah, to him, according to him who was talking about me, maybe he has facts. And maybe it is, I don't know, it is up to him to tell us.
So in your understanding, if one says, Alinga eyetunda mu parliament, you understand it to be a statement of fact?
Mr. Chair, can we have that interpreted in English so that we can also follow? Because this committee doesn't comprise of the Luganda-speaking people only.
Chair, I can refer you to page 10.
Selling myself, that Alinge yetunda means that.
It's not you to interpret
Just
it.
speak as it is, and then we get the formal interpretation of what you've said.
You're right. I repeat what I said so that.
Yes, for purposes of our record.
Alinge yetunda mu parliament.
Okay.
She seems like one who sells her body in Parliament.
Okay. She seems like one
Who sells her body in Parliament.
in Parliament. Or resembles those who sell their
No,
bodies.
no, you, Chair, please. Don't. We leave it at that. Those ones will be our interpretation.
Question, Chair. Then, in relation to that, it's on the Hansard of 12th October, page 10,557. And this is what, after the transcription, the translation made on the official record. She's always there as if she is selling her body in Parliament. This is the statement I would like us to go through with you on the Honorable Kinyamatama. She is selling her body in Parliament. Did you understand that to be a statement of fact or opinion?
She has answered that.
No, she hasn't.
No, she said she did.
The other one was in Uganda, at which you...
No, she said it was both. I mean, I hope you are recording. It's better you record such that we follow each other because we already have it.
Can I ask Chair to help me record?
You want us to record for you? Because if you ask the same question and an answer has been given and you ask it again, it doesn't make sense.
But if
No, the chair cannot
please,
become your personal
Mr. Lukwago.
OPA.
Serious business.
Chair,
We don't take it lightly for anybody to say, can the chair will help me record? Please.
ask the client to pick it up from there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We are equally sorry because
With your permission,
it is not
I
the
end it.
chair to record a statement for you to write on your behalf.
It's okay. You see, this committee does not conscript lawyers for you, Ms. Honorable Zaake. It is your choice, the lawyer of your choice. If you have a client represent you, good enough. If you don't, good enough.
Procedure, Chair.
Yes, please.
Chair, I would beg for your indulgence procedure to give me time to get another lawyer.
We will, but we like you, as you get another lawyer, we like you to set the rules straight.
Zino ensonga nga bumbadde mumanyi nti kyewuunyisa okuba nga tukyamala obudde bungi nnyo ku nsonga bweziti ezitalina makulu mu paalamenti eno erina okubeera ey'ekitiibwa ennyo kubanga tuteekamu ensonga ezitalina makulu ng'ate ebintu ebirina amakulu bingi nnyo 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 ebisaanidde okuba nga biweebwa obudde bungi nnyo komiti okulaba ng'eyo ng'ekola ku nsonga ennungamu nnyingi nnyo naye nga bw'olabye mubaka munnange bwazze mu komiti enneeyisa gye yeeyisizaamu naye alagira ddala nti paalamenti tagiwadde kitiibwa n'empisa gye yeeyisizaamu nga abuukirabuukira n'embeera yennyini gye yeeyisa mu paalamenti luli eri ng'agezaako okwagala okunkuba n'okuorganizinga ababaka abalala awo bambuukire ne paalamenti ne bagiyiwa ku nsonga etalina makulu wadde n'akatono. So ebyo byayogedde byonna byonna biragira ddala nti ate ye yalina okuba nga akeberebwa kubanga engeri eyisa gye yeeyisaamu kitegeeza alina okuba nga akeberebwa omutwe mulamu ategeera bulungi nnyo oluganda alumanyi ekisookera ddala muganda ayogera oluganda alumanyi lwakayi baganda bannakooki muganda ategeera oluganda kubanga tulabye nga n'ebigambo byayogera byennyini tabitegeera n'ebyawandiise byennyini kuba bamuwandiikidde biwandiike sisuubira nti naabitegeera kuba singa tumukkiriza okubyogera osanga nti ate yandyogedde bintu birala nnyo naye nga nze ndowooza twandibadde tuwa ensonga ezisinga okubeera n'amakulu kubanga essaawa eyo yayiira paalamenti waliwo ensonga z'okuwamba abantu baffe ezaali zoogerwako batujja ku mulamwa bali mu kutujja ku mulamwa batuzza ku bintu ebitalina makulu era kyova olaba olwaleero nti neeyisa gye yeeyisizaamu efoosinze oba ekase omuloodi omusajja kyasinza okubeera omukkakkamu mu ggwanga lino okubanga ayimukawa agende olw'enneeyisa y'omubaka oyo ne komiti yennyini enneeyisa gye yeeyisaamu nga nayo yennyini tewa kitiibwa nga rights zaffe nga abaze mu komiti eyo nti kuba omuntu waba akubuza ebibuzo oba olina okuddamu ye oba nedda naye ng'omuntu omulaba nga ali very stubborn tayagala ku respectinga kikigenda mu maaso mu komiti tarespectinga kansa mubuuza tugezezzaako nnyo okubeera abagumiikiriza era nebimaliriza nga biri bwe bityo so mu paalamenti eno ndowooza abantu ngaabo era nga bwe mugamba nti bwe mugamba olwaleero abantu ngaabo tuba tulina okuleeta abantu wano ababeera ku nsonga z'abantu kuba nze muyambyeko ne mumanyisa eggwanga ensi bali temumanyi kuba nze mu komiti musanze wano kati muwadde time okubanga ne kamera zimutunulamu abantu bamutegeere abantu bamumanye kati akozesa omukisa ogwo ahalayitinga ensonga ze Raakayi ayogere ku nsonga ze Raakayi ebizibu bye Raakayi bingi ebizibu ebirimu bannayuganda ne bannaraakayi bingi nnyo afuna omukisa guno agukozese aleme kubanga atadivatinga paalamenti edde ku bintu ebitalina makulu kuba ffe twagala kulabanga tulwanira bannayuganda okubeera mu mbeera ennungi gwe mulamu omukulu gwe tuliko era tetwagala kuguvaako naye ye kennyini yewe ekitiibwa era yatasaanidde kubeera mu paalamenti eno nga bw'asabye nti nze sina kubaamu yatasaanidde kubanga enkola gy'akolamu si bannayuganda gye baagala era agende yeebuuze ku public kikyegamba public eraba nga yatasaanidde kubeerawo ate nze wano singa bagasinga waliwo bazaake 10 wano singa Uganda yakyuka dda singa waliwo Zaake nga 10 wano mweno paalamenti singa Uganda yakyuka dda singa ne paalamenti yaffe singa erina ekitiibwa ekyo kyegwanidde okubeera nakyo mu ggwanga lino zaako nga bw'olabye looya wange asituse naba nga tasobola kugumira mbeera ebadde mu kakiiko olwaleero ng'embeera ebadde yaddalu nnyo, ebadde yaddalu okuva ku mubaka munnange oyo wamu ne komiti yonna yonna wamu nga yeeyisa mu mbeera enzibu ennyo eri embi ennyo. Kyenzizaako era komiti ngisabye nti bampa obudde noonye looya, era ngenda kufuluma ndabe nga nsobola okuba nga njogera n'omuloodi tulabe nga at least akakkana okulaba nga tusobola okuhandolinga komiti, era ne komiti nengisaba nayo ekkakkane ebe ng'essaamu ekitiibwa mu nze ng'omuntu ne looya wange gwe mbandeese emuwa ekitiibwa, kuba oyo y'omu ku bannamateeka abasinga mu ggwanga lino Uganda, naye olaba embeera emusukkako omanya nti ate kintu kinsusse we kyandikomye, y'omu ku bantu abasinga okubeera bakkakkamu. Kati nsabye komiti ebeere nzikakkamu, ewe ekitiibwa eddembe lyaffe ery'obuntu, ewe eddembe mu komiti twetaaye tukole ebitulina okuba nga tukola obulungi nnyo. Mulabye nga ndi mukkakkamu nnyo, naye munnange munnaffe omulabye embeera gy'alimu ne looya nga mukkakkamu nnyo, naye mulabye embeera gye bamuyisizza mu komiti emuyisizza bubi, ne mubaka munnange n'atuyisa bubi. So twagala okulaba nga nze nsobola okugenda nsobola okuba nga njogera ne looya wange ndabe oba okunoonya looya omulala, era bye nsabye komiti eyo kasubire komiti eneddako tulabe ng'ekola ekituufu.
Just briefly in English, your opinion on the proceedings today and the recommendations for...
The committee has behaved in a very extraordinary way that it's really not supposed to behave in that way. You've seen it rightly that the witness in the committee, my colleague, my fellow honorable member of parliament, she has behaved abnormally, just the same way how she ended the house prematurely when she was presenting the matter. It has been abnormal. It was abnormal. Actually, she even threatened to beat me. She threatened to throw me out of parliament, and the house ended prematurely. And that has always been the blame they have been putting on me whenever I've been talking about issues of human rights in that parliament, in plenary. But she did the same way. And she's the same character she has brought to the committee, as you've seen today. She has come with a prepared statement, which is not supposed to be the way. Doing that, she has behaved in the way that was very, very disorganized, in a very uncalm way. So that is not supposed to be the way. So as she has recommended that I'm supposed to go for a mental check, I believe she's the one supposed to go for that mental check, because the way she's behaving, it is very, very dishonorable. She's behaving in a very dishonorable way, in that she's even talking about matters that do not even concern the people of Uganda, don't even concern her constituency. She's trying to divert us from issues that are very important. We have issues that are very pertinent, issues of human rights violations in Uganda. Those are very pertinent issues, and many other issues of political prisoners, and many others that are supposed to change the lives of Ugandans. So many important issues, but the committee has been used to do such things. It is really wrong for a honorable colleague to behave that way. Actually, such behaviors are not supposed to be in parliament, as she has requested that I'm not supposed to be in this parliament. I believe it is her who is not supposed to be in this parliament, because we do not behave that way. I have tried so much to become, actually I have the most calm lawyer in this country. He's so well behaved. He has won very many cases. But if you see the Lord Mayor, his worship, behaving in such a way that he has gotten out and is tired of that committee, it means that the committee has behaved in a very dishonorable way. Even the witness herself, she has behaved in a very, very, very wrong way. So I believe that as the committee is supposed to respect my rights as a person they invited in that committee, and I respected the committee, and I came, I turned up, even when I believe the matter that has been before the committee is a non-issue. It's not supposed even to be given time. But I respected the committee to come here. It's very unfortunate that it has behaved that way, and I've advised the committee that next time it should behave in a good way. It should also give me time to look for another lawyer or convince my lawyer to come back if the committee is ready to behave.
So it is okay. Judging Neisa Honorable Zaake, Zaake and Parliament, no other Parliament. Not seeing that the land to the end of the Sagala, the judge, but the Manaba Mokeda or Mokoganga or President of the Parliament. Wanga, you get there, Babaga, yeah, get up Chamatam. Hate worry on back our Parliament, I feel like Chamatam. Maybe you're not your get Okulagan to Munton and Togo doing Wanga, maybe. Buri bulungi obanga tebuli bulungi bamukebera then basobola mujajinga nga balina amazima nti yasobya tulema kujajinga omuntu nga tetumulidde right status, mental status. Kati omusango bwe guba gutambula Baina ebintu bye balina okukola before they make a ruling, before they come to their conclusion. So kyensaba nga tebanaba concludinga basooke baasataininga ago amazima. Osoma mu rules zaffe eneeyisa eyo punishment yayo ebeera okubeera suspended. Bw'otunuulira clip eyo statement gye yayogera kyetegeeza. Of all, I think today's proceedings went on well, and those that feel oppressed or deprived moved out. But after having been given all the time to ask me, cross-examine me, all the questions they wanted, to my understanding and according to how I have always seen them play their tricks, is that the questions were over and he had nothing to add on, but he needed to get out in that way. But secondly, good enough, the committee is so fair to both of us. So they have asked for another lawyer. They are permitted to bring another lawyer, and he says in 2 weeks he'll be ready. And that is well, because to my understanding, I don't think I need a lawyer, maybe to something that is so clear that he said. But if he needs a lawyer to defend whatever he said, then it's okay, it's his right. But I also ask every person who, the right activists, and most especially him as the Honorable Zaake, to respect other people's rights, just like he carries a deceitful manner of saying I am a right activist when he's oppressing other people's rights. I think it is not right, but all in all, this is why we are here and we are waiting for the judgment.